Most of the immigrants on that boat have been released from custody.
But as CBS 8's David Goffredson reports, they've been ordered to stay in California.
They're not being charged as defendants because they're not being accused of committing a crime.
Most of the immigrants on board the panga boat that capsized off Del Mar on May 5th are now out of custody, not charged with any crime. The court ordered the passengers to remain in California until they can testify against the two men accused of being the boat smugglers.
The government has that discretion to charge everybody with a crime or nobody with a crime. They've made the decision to charge those that they believe were in charge of steering the boat with a crime, whereas with the others, they have kept as material witnesses.
3 people died, including a 14-year-old boy from India. His 10-year-old sister remains missing and is presumed dead. Among those released from custody, the parents of the 2 children, who must now stay here pending a trial date for the 2 pilots, Jesus Rodriguez and Julio Zuniga.
The parents currently are now in a country that I imagine are foreign to them. Both of their children are not with them. And so it's an unfortunate situation that, for the parents at least, there's no sort of end in sight, as they will be subject to questioning in the future.
Both pilots are facing charges of smuggling aliens for financial gain resulting in death, a charge that's eligible for the death penalty.
In my time here in the Southern District of California, I have seen other offenses involve death and/or serious bodily injury, and I can't recall a case where the death penalty was sought.
San Diego attorney Tommy Vu is not involved in the case, but he had this to say about the possibility of the DOJ pursuing the death penalty.
My opinion is that politics is seeping into this case, but my hope is still that the U.S. attorneys decide this case on the facts and not so much what others are telling them that they should do.
The DOJ has not made a decision on whether they will seek the death penalty against those 2 boat pilots. Meanwhile, one of the men accused of transporting the migrants away from the beach after the fact will be in court tomorrow. At the federal courthouse, David Goffredson, CBS 8.